Hello, my friends. Welcome back. This is by request. This is from my good friend Matthew Moore. Hi, Matt. What's up? This is called Titan Linux OS, of course. Now, I don't know too much about this. This is brand new, but knowing Matt, he is not going to create something based on agony and torment. So, sorry, I'm trying to cheer myself up. Hey, I broke my foot, okay? So cut me some slack here. Titan Linux OS. So, Matt, let me say off the bat, I think it looks great. But there's one thing with the, looks like this is KDE Plasma Desktop. Yeah. One thing I hate about this type of desktop environment, and it turns my cannolis upside down. The audio mixer, okay? And we still do not have some kind of a gauge, a volume meter to let me know here that, number one, if the mic is even on, which I think it is, I have it highlighted, but it's not letting me know if I'm too high, too low. I'm assuming 80% is about right. Sorry, Matt. I know it's not your fault. I'm not blaming you. Just a little rant I need to get off my chest, as it were. I like the way this looks. Now, I did have to install Simple Screen Recorder. I actually, let me get the Q terminal up here. Yeah, what I did with this, I use sudo apt update, sudo apt install Synaptic, sudo apt install Simple Screen Recorder. I don't care for the Discover software manager, just personal preference. Now, if you are a Windows user new to this, you don't have to do what I did. The dark theme is great. The transparency looks cool. And by the way, I'm running this off a USB stick. This is fast. I mean, I love it. Right click, as you would in any Linux desktop. You have some options here. I'm not going to show you every single thing and bore you for an hour or so. So we have the panel here at the bottom. Of course, you can customize the panel. You can move it up or down, as you see here. Why don't we just keep it there the way it is? We can change the panel height, add widgets. KDE, the Plasma Desktop, is definitely famous for its widgets, like you see here. For example, the clock. We can drag that and put a clock there, and so on. By the way, the time on the clock is wrong. Again, I haven't installed this or updated this. So yeah, this looks great. So this is based off of Debian, and this has the Calamaris installer. Oh man, I'm getting hungry already. I've taken a look at this before. I don't believe this is difficult at all for beginners that I recall. So this is called Titan Linux Cronus. I think it's based off of Greek mythology. Again, the usual shortcuts here to the bottom, date and time, and shutdown and leave and all that, which I'll skip. Some shortcuts here to the left. I did install Simple Screen Recorder. I believe it's working. The Discover Software Center. Yeah, I mean, this is okay. I still prefer Mate or actually the Ubuntu, the latest Ubuntu Software Center. All right, so Firefox installed by default. Yeah, Firefox is not the fastest browser out there, but it's not as slow as a Firefox Snap package. All right, so Debian Live User, of course. This is based off Debian 11. Bullseye. Very good. Okay, so click that, and with the search tab here, let's go under Development. All right, not too much there. Let's go to Graphics. Okay, just a couple here. Let's click that. Go to Internet. Only Firefox ESR. Myself, if I was to fully install this, I would use Chrome and Brave and not use Firefox. Again, just a personal preference. Multimedia VLC is great. I use that in Windows. Again, I had to install a screen recorder to get this running. And yeah, VLC is perfectly fine for, but wow, that launched really fast. Dang, Matt. And I haven't even installed this. Woohoo. All right. Yeah, let's move on. Office. Okay, not much here either. Yeah, if I was going to keep this, I would probably install the LibreOffice suite. Again, I think the idea behind this is lightness and speed, which I appreciate. So let's go click Applications, Settings. Grub Customizer, customize the bootloader. That's something I would probably not do. Again, Synaptic Package Manager I use all the time. System settings, similar to the, like the control panel in Windows. And appearance, workspace, personalizations, networking, hardware, system administration, and yeah, this looks fine. All right, let's move on. Let's see, where were we here? We were on the system settings. Let's go back and system itself. Discover the Dolphin File Manager. This is probably one of the most full-featured file managers you will ever see in Linux. I think it's fine. Moving along here, back to System, the Grub Customizer, HTOP Process Viewer. Let's see how much RAM I am using. Altogether, looks like 1.73. Again, I have not installed this, so I have a feeling if I install this, that the RAM usage will probably drop considerably. But this is running pretty zippy off a USB stick. Very nice. All right, back to System, Info Center, Cases Guard, Muon Package Manager, some terminal applications, of course Synaptic. All right, let's move on from that. Let's go to the Titan Toolbox. What do we have here? Apt Tools, Clean Apt, Package Dump, Update the System. So I'm assuming this top one here probably like Bleach bit, I do believe. All right, back to the toolbox. Panel layouts. Restore Plasma 5, restore Titan Linux default. All right, cool. Back to the Titan toolbox. Software. Advanced. Install latest available backported kernel. Install legacy lib app indicator. Uninstall unused kernels. Okay, newbies probably have no idea what I just said. Don't worry about it. Anyway, let's move on. Software. Browsers. Yes, Chrome, my favorite. Let's see if Chrome will work. And let's see, what do we have here? So let's get out of that. Did that say, let me see, go back to Internet. I thought I clicked Chrome, maybe not. Okay, well, Brave is good. Okay, well, that worked anyway. Let's go back to software, browsers. Let's try. Oh, there we go. Now it worked. All right, let's see. Support. Okay. Titan Linux support over Discord. Very good. Or IRC. Sometimes they'll drop into Discord, but I never use IRC. And utilities. Application terminator. Click an application. Terminate the process. Yeah, that's if it's something frozen. Clear swap. Restart Plasma. Matt, what could I say? This looks and feels great. I know a lot of work went into this, so thank you, Matt, and tell all your friends and I almost said co-conspirators, haha, co-developers who put the work into this. I still prefer the Mate desktop for its functionality and simplicity, and I'm even falling in love again with Ubuntu, with the GNOME desktop, with specific extensions. I think when I broke my foot, I think something went to my head too. Anyway, Titan Linux OS, check it out. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. Ciao.